Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with BlueVine. Review my usage experience. BlueVine offers online banking services specifically designed for small businesses. They provide checking accounts, bill pay, and lines of credit aimed at helping businesses manage their finances efficiently. Key features appear to include no monthly fees on their checking accounts and access to competitive interest rates. Their website provides details on their different offerings, including their line of credit and invoice factoring services. They emphasize ease of use and transparency, highlighting no monthly fees on checking accounts and no hidden fees. BlueVine positions itself as a modern alternative to traditional banking, offering streamlined online services and competitive rates. You can check availability and specific details on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using BlueVine. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I applied for a business checking account online, and the entire process took less than 15 minutes. Verifying my business information was quick, and within a few days, my account was active. Navigating the online interface is incredibly intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of my balance, recent transactions, and pending payments. I was really impressed by how easy it was to schedule bill payments and transfer funds. The process for initiating a wire transfer was a little different than I was used to with my previous bank, but after a quick look at their help section, I had it figured out. Performance-wise, the platform has been very reliable. I haven't experienced any downtime or glitches. I also had a quick question about setting up recurring payments, and their support responded within a day via email with clear instructions. The standout feature for me was definitely the lack of monthly fees, which is a significant saving for my small business. One minor drawback was the lack of a physical branch network, which might be a concern for some businesses. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with BlueVine. While it might not be the perfect solution for every business, its ease of use, transparent pricing, and reliable performance make it a great option for small businesses looking for a modern banking solution. That's my overview of BlueVine. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.